Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to download Instagram photo in Telegram. So first of all, open Instagram account and select a photo. Now I'm select this photo. Tap on the three dot, copy link and go to Telegram account. Search here to Instagram saver. Tap on this link and you need to just paste here to copy link, send, and waiting a few some second. Okay, tap on this image and then finally save in your desktop. That's how you can easily download your Instagram photo from Telegram. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial River channel for more video.